Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to connect HubSpot with Facebook ads step by step so you can track leads and optimize ad performance in 2026. Let's get started. Connecting HubSpot with Facebook ads allows you to sync leads, track conversions, and measure ROI directly inside HubSpot. This integration helps you manage ads and CRM data in one place. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Marketing, then click Ads. Next, click Connect Account and choose Facebook Ads. You'll be redirected to Facebook. Log in with the Facebook account that has access to your ad account. Select the correct Facebook ad account, Facebook page, and Business Manager, then confirm the connection. Once connected, HubSpot will automatically sync your Facebook ads data. Now, enable lead syncing. This allows leads from Facebook lead ads to be automatically added to HubSpot's CRM as contacts. Map Facebook form fields to HubSpot contact properties to ensure accurate data. Next, set up conversion tracking. HubSpot uses its tracking code to measure actions like form submissions and page views from Facebook ads. Make sure the HubSpot tracking code is installed on your website. You can now view ad performance inside HubSpot. Track impressions, clicks, cost per lead, and conversions from the ads dashboard. Use this data to optimize campaigns, pause low-performing ads, improve targeting, and adjust budgets based on results. You can also create custom audiences in HubSpot and sync them to Facebook for retargeting. This helps you show ads to website visitors, leads, or customers. In summary, connecting HubSpot with Facebook ads helps you track leads, measure ad performance, and improve ROI. By syncing accounts, enabling lead capture, and using analytics, you can run smarter Facebook ad campaigns in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.